If WhatsApp isn't working on Wi-Fi but works fine on mobile data, don't worry, here's how you can fix it fast. First, make sure your Wi-Fi is actually connected. Open another app or browser and check if the internet is working. If it's not, try restarting your Wi-Fi router and contact your ISP. Next, go to your phone settings, then Wi-Fi. Tap the connected network and choose Forget. Now reconnect to the same Wi-Fi by entering the password again. This often resets the connection. If WhatsApp is still not working, go to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps, WhatsApp, Data Usage, and make sure the option Wi-Fi is turned on. Also make sure background data is allowed. Finally, restart your phone and open WhatsApp again. If this helped fix your WhatsApp issue, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more quick tech tips.